Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Sunday, the 14th of December. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. I like to do these weekend weather wisdoms when we have snow falling, which we do right now, falling from just east of Pittsfield all through the rest of Massachusetts. It goes up to Concord, very light, even up towards Portland. Heavier snow bands now east of Bridgeport, down across southern Connecticut, south of Providence, and also over the Cape and the islands this morning. Now, it looks to me like a couple of things are a little bit different. It's basically still a very light snowfall. I think that obviously Boston is going to have its first measurable snow of the year. So I think we're going to break the streak. I think it's 300 days since we've had measurable snowfall in the city, which is, top five longest we've ever had. So pretty remarkable. In terms of accumulation and times for this to end, so I put coating to a couple of inches, basically west of 495. Think of it that way. And then you get east, it's 1 to 3 inches. The 3 would be further south. And then 2 to 5 inches as you get south of Marshfield, down through southeastern Massachusetts, perhaps Carver, Fall River. And there could be some 6-inch amounts over the south side of the Cape. I think the islands are in the 2 to 5 inch range as well. It's going to linger a little bit over eastern Massachusetts, so maybe 3, 4, 5 o'clock. Even in Boston, like right along the coast, I can see that the radars might be holding on to snow kind of from Salem down through Lynn and Boston and maybe on towards Marshfield. And then Cape and the Islands, you could hold the snow, especially from Sandwich to Barnstable, Dennis, Brewster. Those areas can hold the snow right into sort of 8, 9, 10 o'clock this evening. And that's why I upped the amounts by about an inch over yesterday's. I kept the lower levels basically the same. I just added an inch just in case. So I think Boston probably ends up with, my guess is maybe 1.5, something like that would be what Logan Airport ends up with. And then you can see a little bit more off towards the south. Now, what happens after that? Tomorrow's sunny. We're right around 25 to 30. It's gusty. It's cold. Wind chill value is near zero. It's definitely a cold day. And tomorrow night, temperatures down in the teens. We're back slightly above freezing on Tuesday. Wednesday, we start to get into the 30s to near 40, and then up towards 50 on Thursday. And I think into or right around 50 on Friday, we're going to lose the snow cover. And that should do it in terms of a white Christmas not happening because I don't see anything thereafter. So the snow cover will disappear here in southern New England. So as of right now, I'm going to play it Grinchy, and we will not have a white Christmas in Boston again. And we typically don't. 3 out of 4 years, we do not. And that's the long-term stats. And certainly most recently, we have not had 1 inch of snow on the ground at 7 a.m. in Boston. That's the official. So have a great day, everybody. We'll do it again tomorrow.